We have been covering a series of video on NEET PG. Now, one of the major question that arises is what should you decide at the time you are getting admission into NEET UG? That is very crucial because before you actually get to know about the NEET PG. So once the NEET PG state quota or the domicile quota is removed, how would it impact the UG students? Let's understand. So if we go by the statistics, if we look onto NEET UG admissions, there are around 1 lakh documented seats which are there for MBBS course, around 27,000 for BDS course, around 52,000 seats for Ayush courses, and only 600 seats around for veterinary courses. Now these are the statistics for the UG. If we look onto the PG, government states that there are around 34,000 seats for PG in the government colleges. Now of this 1 lakh seats of MBBS, only 55,000 lie in the government quota or the government college. There are around 70,000 seats for government as well as private medical colleges, right? But again this 34,000, so let's talk about only the government seats as of now. So of that 55,000, if we look that there are 34,000 seats available, this figure looks pretty good. But understand that these PG seats would include both the clinical as well as the non-clinical seats. Also, there would be variety of seats which would be available under this, which would encompass the seats for the masters in Ayush as well. So that's the total number of PG seats that we are counting towards the PG entrance exams, right? So what is really important to understand, if you get into a PG using your donation seat, then for your NEET PG, you would be highly impacted because once the state or the domicile quota is removed, there is an open competition. Now with an open competition, only the meritorious students would get their way. Now this merit could be either the good students in the respective medical colleges, be it the government or the private, or students who had an added advantage, who were actually enrolled into a good institution in their UG course itself. So it's very important. At the point you are starting your UG, you get a very good government college, and only then you can secure a 100% position, or you can have a high possibility of securing a good seat for your PG. So start your preparation for UG very carefully. Restrain from going into a donation seat at your undergraduate level. Thanks for joining in. We'll be covering many interesting classes in the coming sessions. Stay tuned.